The new Renault Megane R S has such weight of expectation on its shoulders it could probably use the stuff for downforce. There are two very good reasons why, and they're parked right next to it on display at its launch. The two previous generation Renault Sport Meganes are all-time great hot hatches, benchmarks for handling, feel, feedback and excitement. Can the new Megane IV R.S possibly measure up? Well, even before we can get onto that, we must say one thing: this is the third hot Megane to be developed by Renault Sport, the company's motorsport and high-performance road car division, but it's based on the fourth generation Megane, hence the potentially confusing numbering. While the previous RS Megane was a two-door coupe, the new one is strictly five-door, like the rest of the current hatches range. As before, two suspension setups are available: Sport, now designed to be more well-rounded for everyday use, and Cup, a more hardcore, track-focused arrangement. UK prices are yet to be confirmed at the time of writing, but expect the range to start from circa £29,000 for a base manual car with sport suspension. Cup versions of the previous car carried a premium of around £1,300. That may increase this time, estimate £1,500 or so. So far we've tested the Sport on the road, with the auto gearbox, and the Cup on the track, with a manual. Technically it's called the Renault Megane R S if you stick to the official nomenclature. Its predecessor had a 2.0-liter turbo engine, but the new car downsizes to a lighter aluminium 1.8 turbo, the same one found in the Alpine A110 sports car, also developed by Renault Sport. It develops 276 bhp and 288 pounds-foot, an impressive specific output for its size and more than the previous Ultimate Megane trophy, but in today's power-crazed hot hatch market that's quite a deficit to the likes of the 296 bhp Seat Leon Cupra 300, 316 bhp Honda Civic Type R and 345 bhp Ford Focus RS. The smaller, mostly aluminium engine has saved weight, but a few pounds have been put back on by a new four-wheel steering system. While Ford's Focus RS and VW's Golf R have turned all-wheel drive to manage their increasing power outputs, Renault Sport has stuck with front-wheel drive. Its engineers said they briefly considered looking at using all-wheel drive technology from within the Renault-Nissan alliance but quickly decided it wasn't ready for sports cars yet. Instead, it claims the rear steerability has enabled a similar magnitude step forward in agility. While the Cup is the exciting one, the regular sport setup is just as important to the Megane RS range, as it opens it up to a broader range.